foreign car, German car, Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck. This was actually my runaround truck for quite a few years. You know, I'm a bicycle guy and I'm always picking up bicycles along the way. This thing will hold about 7 bicycles, believe it or not, in the back. And I ran it from here to Ocean City, New Jersey constantly. It's a diesel with air conditioning and just a sweet Dryden little pickup truck for somebody that wants a really unique pickup truck. These things are very desirable right now. Once again, Volkswagen product. The Karmann Ghias were the sports car of the Volkswagen line. And this one-owner car, all original, just a beautiful version of the Karmann Ghia. And this one has the older style bumpers on it. They made those big, bulky kind of bumpers on them when they got a little newer. This is just a beautiful Karmann Ghia for somebody that's looking. This is a 1971 model, so if somebody's looking for a Karmann Ghia, they aren't going to find a nicer one. It's beautiful. I had a chance to buy another one-owner car. This is a 1972 Volkswagen convertible. The people bought it brand new. It's a local car, came right from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and just clean as a pin and runs like a top. Talk about unique, Mike. This is a 1981 Rabbit pickup. This truck has never been titled. In other words, it's still on a certificate of origin from the factory. It belonged to a dealer that was a Volkswagen dealer. He put 16,000 miles on the truck, and I had an opportunity to purchase it. So the next owner of this truck will be the first owner because it's never been titled in any state, anywhere. It's still under the certificate of origin. 5-speed, air conditioning. I'll guarantee you, it's the nicest Rabbit in the world. There isn't another one that looks like this. And the unique part is that cap that's on the back as well. The cap that's back there is all fiberglass cap. I've never seen another one like it, and just a beautiful addition to the pickup truck. So once again, a perfect original 16,000 mile truck that's never been titled.